How to take long scrolling screenshot of Excel for free. So if you want to take long scrolling screenshot of Excel for free, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and you need to search for PigPig. After searching for PigPig, now you need to just click on the first option, which will take you to the official website. You can download this tool or this software. If you download this, then you will have full screen capture or scrolling window capture, which you can see right here. You will have this feature. You can just click on the scrolling window and you'll be able to capture a long scrolling screenshot. You can just scroll down a bit and here you will have download option. So you can also go with the top right where you will have the download section, and here you will have the free version and the professional version. So you can simply go with download the free version. After downloading that tool or that software, you can open up your Excel and you can go with this kind of interface, which is home. Go with the home tab and you will have the scrolling screenshot or the scrolling window option. So that's how you can take a long scrolling screenshot of Excel for free. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.